Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be discussing in detail how to start the job search in the 2025. So many of the people, many of the candidates do send the messages and do send the emails that they are not receiving the calls. They are not getting any updates. They are being ghosted regularly, frequently basis. So what as a candidate you need to do to ensure that you are getting the calls? So there is altogether a different kind of a job hunt that you will have to do in 2025. It is not as straightforward as it used to be earlier. So let me show you the different steps that we should take as a candidate if you are looking for the job opportunities. Okay. So see, first of all, it's divided into different phases. It's divided into different step by step. So first of all is you have to update your resume and you have to update your portfolio, right? You have to clarify your quest. What exactly you are looking for? Are you looking for automation testing job? In that, are you looking for the jobs in which Selenium with Python is there, Selenium with Java is there, or maybe you are fine with having the performance testing job, or maybe you are too good to have any kind of automation testing job. Or maybe is it that you have done manual testing roles or the project still now, and you are looking for a switch into the automation? Are you in those kind of zones? So mindset check. You are not unqualified. You are just looking at what kind of a side, what kind of the push that you need, what kind of a skill set that you are looking for, what's to apply. It might happen that till now you might be working in the functional testing, but now you want to move to the towards the automation. So you would have done one or two projects and you are looking for the switch in the automation testing. But that's not all. So the resume is also very important. In the resume, how you place the projects. In the resume, what kind of data you showcase. In the resume, what kind of technical skill sets you showcase. That's also very important. So what we have done is, from the resume perspective, let me assist you with one of the ATS friendly resume template, which has the projects as well. So in this particular resume template, we have included few of the projects that would be useful to you for showcasing in the automation. So these particular projects would assist you, would help you to get the calls. And this is ATS friendly resume template. There's not much of the detailed level of or kind of the sales kind of the pitch that is there in this resume, but it's a good resume in which few of my subscribers have also got the job opportunities and many of my subscribers have started getting the calls. So you avail this particular digital product, it would be really helpful for you. Okay. Now let me show you the next phase. Okay, so LinkedIn optimization. See, LinkedIn optimization is very important. In these days, most of the recruiters would first land on your LinkedIn page and they'll see actually what kind of profile, what kind of portfolio you have created on the LinkedIn. Maybe you could have used some of the technical skill set, or you have included some of the projects on LinkedIn as well. You can showcase your new certifications on LinkedIn. You can showcase your skills on LinkedIn. That's very important. Preparation phase is very, very important. On LinkedIn, you have to create a brand of yourself. On LinkedIn, you have to showcase your potential so that people should be able to recruit you. People should be able to directly connect with you. Next is application phase. So in the application phase, you have to target the applications. You have to have a strategy in that as well. See, when I say target the application, so what you have to do is you have to customize at least 2 or 3 resume templates you can create. One resume template maybe for Selenium with Java or the traditional frameworks, you can say. One resume template you can create with respect to the other tools that are there in the market. If you're aware about Cypress, if you're aware about Productor, if you're aware about Playwright, those things you can keep. One resume template you can keep with respect to mix of both of experience, functional testing plus automation. So whatever the criterias are there in these particular days in the job market, they are maximum looking for 80% of test automation jobs. So you can customize your resume template accordingly. You can update your resume template accordingly. It might happen at some places the people are looking for just the lead level of roles. Then showcase that lead kind of potential. You might would have worked as a senior QA, but you are good to have as a pure automation lead guy. You can go to the company websites. You can see which are the websites on which companies which are hiring. You would get those details from the LinkedIn, from the Naukri.com, apply over there, right? Referral strategy, you should start connecting with the people before you quit the job. So by the time you quit the job, you have people referring you. The people should know that yes, this particular person is available in the market, my friend is available in the market, and then you should start applying, right? Okay. Next is the networking phase. Now, how to create the network? Networking is very important. You have to engage with the post, right? Before asking for the help. Don't just directly say in the DM that refer me. You have to give a short introduction of yourself, that you are having X years of experience. You are belonging to this particular location. You are having this much years of this much package, and now you're looking for a change because of so and so reason, right? So all those things are important. Personal branding is important. Start attending events, start attending the be a part of the community, growing communities. There are so many QA communities that you would find on the LinkedIn. Connect with them, connect with the people on the Telegram if required. So that would help you a lot, right? Then application, right? Now, this is a kind of the phase in which you might get demotivated. So there is a caution available here. Now, what kind of things are happening? You might send a resume. They might ask you for all the details, pay slips, documentation, everything, or they might conduct your interviews as well. But after that, there is no calling back. After that, there is no update. Then you might be feeling, oh, am I lost? Did I get ghosted? So you have to create a list of the recruiters, of the HRs who ghosted you, who just remembered you, right? You have to track, you have to keep that tracker, because it might happen after 1 month. Still, if you're not able to crack the job after 2 months, if they are again connecting with you, you just politely tell them, yes, I do gave the interview in your company, but I didn't get any response at that time. So are you sure in this particular time, this is again, the things would be smooth, or it would be repeated in the same manner? You can just talk to them politely. You can have a conversation. You can have your stand when you are connecting with the recruiters, these kind of recruiters again. Rejection emails. If you are getting rejection emails, so you are not something who is fully applicable for that job. It might happen you might be 70%, 80% applicable for that job, but your package or your notice period might be less, making you less interested for them. So those kind of things might also happen. Okay. Next is mock interviews. See, mock interviews are very important. So if you would see on the top mate, we have created the mock interview section in which you can give different mock interviews, and it is available at a nominal cost. So you can give multiple mock interviews. It might happen if you want to give one mock interview for core Java, one for Python, one for Selenium. So that's also fine with us. You can give the mock interviews with respect to your numbers of years of experience, with respect to your, if you want that different topics I would like to go, you can take that as well. So here is the mock interview service link, which you can avail, and you can give the mock interviews. So I would suggest keep a 30 minutes to 45 minutes of time period available for yourself whenever you are coming for the mock interviews, because after giving the mock interviews, we are also giving you the feedback, right? So that's also important, as a feedback will showcase you which are the points to be for the improvement, which are the areas where you are doing good. So accordingly, you can know what is your level with respect to the current market. Okay. Okay. Once you get the offer, then it's something that, see, after 6 phases of hard work, after 6 phases of efforts, you would start getting the offer. But don't directly think that the journey is ending once you get one of the offer. Once you get one of the offer, then you compare that rate that you have got, compare the package that you have got with respect to the other companies that are there. It becomes very important that you should be able to justify your numbers of years of experience with the package that you are getting. Accept that package, and don't just sit for that particular company to join. Try giving multiple more interviews so that you get an idea. I'm not asking you to get 15 offer letters, but at least one or two backup offer letter is good for your reference purpose, because it is very important. It might happen that one of the company might turn back, and then there you should have some backup. So it is very important to have a backup. It is very important to have the plan B in your career, right? So you have to evaluate the offers, you have to negotiate properly, you have to take your time to take the decision, right? So these are the points with respect to the job hunt that you have to do in 2025. If you're not getting calls, then focus on these particular phases, focus on these particular points, turn by turn. We are available to make you aware about in which phase you are, to help you, to assist you with career guidance, resume review, what all things you would say. I would be totally happy to assist you on that, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.